Hello, good dear friends. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix Play Store not working in Oppo. So let's start. First, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down, then go to apps, then apps management. Now tap on search and search for Play Store. As you can see, then go to storage usage and clear all the cache. Now close this window and go to your Play Store. Now as you can see, my Play Store is now working absolutely fine. But if you are still facing the problem, then Oppo has its own App Store. Just type app and you will see App Market. It is Oppo's built-in App Store. From here, you can download any available app. It has almost every single app which is also available in Play Store. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like and do consider subscribing, and I will see you in next video.